Naija people don bring ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Neyi. Make a sharply yarn on some tori wey be say it just happened. The Nigerian police don come respond to the tori of the Nollywood actor wey name be Azeez Ijaduade wey Ekoloba police shoot in neck for inside Ogun State. As the Ogun State Ekoloba police command don come out to come yarn, say during the Bramage company end of year party for inside Napoli hotel, say na so the mobile police wey be say dey guide some Chinese people dem come use overjoy come go shoot gun for up wey make the bullet share come go touch Mr. Azeez Ijaduade for neck. As police come dey talk, say they don take the responsibility of the treatment after they carry am take go hospital.
Just be there.
But later, im fellow actor wey be Odulade Adekola don come show this video of when he go visit am for inside hospital. Say im body dey very kampe as they come dey thank God.
We give glory to God. We give glory to God. We give glory. He's alive. He's alive. We give glory to God. Alive. We give glory to God. Thank you.
The former governor of Sokoto State wey im name be Atahiru Bafarawa don come dey tell President Bola Ahmed Tinubu say if he wan continue to dey do the good work, especially to revive some of the projects dem wey be say they don abandon for inside Abuja and other places for Nigeria, say he no see any reason why the Tinubu administration no go probe the former president of Nigeria wey be Muhammadu Buhari. The special investigators wey be say they dey torchlight the Central Bank of Nigeria don come write to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu say make him prosecute the former cabinet secretary wey be Boss Mustapha and also the former Central Bank of Nigeria governor wey be Godwin Emefiele, say because they tiftalized $6.23 million cash from the bank seller for inside Abuja on February 8, 2023 before the general election. The Economic and Financial Account Commission wey be EFCC don find out 37.1 billion naira wey be say they tiftalized for the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs under the former minister Sadiat Umar Faruku, and they transfer the money for the federal government account to 38 different bank accounts to domicile inside 5 legacy commercial banks wey the owner na contractor James Okwete. The Lagos State government on Saturday, December 23rd, don come remove some closed inner road gates wey some residents dey put for Lekki phase 1 wey dey cause wahala wey be say people no dey fit pass for inside those streets. And the name of the streets na Sir Rufus Folusho Gewa, Theophilus Orji, Saro Isakpa, Abike Suleiman, and many other streets dem. Now be small accident happen as one driver lose control wey make im motor come fall comot from bridge wey dey for Anthony Oke if you dey enter towards Oshodi for inside Lagos State, as the motor come fall down, but nobody poof by on top this gbege wey just happen on Sunday, December 24th, 2023. Ekoloba police don come arrest one woman wey be wife wey her name be Oluwabukola Dorcas Takumbe, say because she go pour her husband the hot water, say because her husband not carry her go one of her friend the wedding for inside Lagos State, and at the Meron police station na then they carry her take go for inside Lagos State, as they come rush the man take go hospital for some treatment. The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency wey be NDLEA don come catch 7.5 million pieces of tramadol drugs dem wey be say they wan sell during this festive period, and na for inside the Murtala Mohammed International Airport for Ikeja. Na National Drug Law Enforcement Agency wey be NDLEA catch the people dem wey be say they carry those drugs. Federal government don come out to come talk say Nigerians wey be say their passport don expire wey dey live for abroad wey dey plan to come back to Nigeria to celebrate for this festive period, say make dem feel free make dem come back, say because that one no be any wahala, as dem come yarn this talk on top the letter wey be say dem write the date on 22nd December 2023. For on top this video, one lady go dey use her car, dey go dey do James Bond as she come use her car go dey jam another woman the car, but we never really know wetin cause this gbege, and this gbege happen for inside Lekki area of Lagos State. The Lagos State government don come close the Quilos Club on Sunday, December 24th, 2023, as they come draw hand for ear, come dey warn the Soul Beach, the good beach and also the landmark beach. Say make dem make sure say dem no go cause environmental wahala or safety issues. The wife of President Bola Tinubu, wey be Senator Children Remi Tinubu, don come dey talk say the year 2024 go be glorious for Nigeria. As she come dey advise parents dem say make dem no dey discuss about poverty in front of their children, say because that kind thing fit affect the society. She yarn this talk during wey be say she go one Christmas party wey be say dem do for children dem of Nana Berry Orphanage Home for Abuja. The Vice President of Nigeria wey be Kashim Shettima and the All Progressive Congress National Chairman wey be Abdullahi Ganduje don come receive chieftaincy title for inside Anambra State, and they give them this title during the 22nd Ofala Festival of Okpo Dumokofia on Saturday, December 23rd, 2023. One Nigerian man wey be say im name na Young on top Facebook don come out to come show this video as im come dey lament, dey complain. Say see in kitchen say not even get any single food stock for in house to celebrate for this festive period. As in call the yarn, say even nothing waiting him with him wife and the pikin go chop. Say they not see anything.
To buy food, even rice with my pikin go chop, even food with my pikin go chop.
The troop of the Division 1 Nigerian Army don come kpai 14 Omila terrorists dem as they come rescue 13 people dem wey be say the Omila terrorists dem kidnap for inside Niger State and Kaduna State. As Nigerians dem don come dey hail dem say they try well for this operation wey be say they do, and they yarn this talk on top their X handle on December 24th, 2023. This na Bishop News Story. My name na Nehi. Una Merry Christmas.